Hi, friends. This is the first in a series of stories. I had made a shout out to people to send me their stories, contact me that we could possibly set up a Zoom and then even share a Zoom meeting regarding your stories, your trials and tribulations and what you've done to make yourself feel better. So I got my first contact actually through a friend that lives in Australia. Her walking partner, her neighbor, who I actually know, was having some problems, and I'm going to read you what she sent me. My problem began after falling off my bike at the end of March. That was of this year. I started my recovery towards the end of April due to not being able to move without a lot of pain. Once I could move, I tried many things. My whole body needed work. The right shoulder and the left hip were my main problem areas. I went to a shoulder specialist and found out how to manage this area and had positive results. My hip area was very painful and I went to an osteopath. The relief was only temporary, but I was on the right track. So then my friend gave her my book, and so now this is the rest of it. After reading this book and understanding my problem, I was able to do the exercises to relieve my pain. I have now worked out what is best for me and can relieve my pain very quickly with just a few movements. I am also putting the exercises into my everyday life and have very positive results. Thank you, Debbie, for putting this book together. I have found it very useful, and this is, it was signed Jacqui Luscombe. So thank you, Jacqui. A shout out to you for sharing your story. I am hoping that this inspires other people. Please contact me, DM me, share your story, and hopefully that will inspire others. And thank you for watching, and I will talk to you soon.